Psychology, a scientific discipline. Read the following statements. Think, discuss whether the given statements are facts or myths and misconceptions about psychology. Your first question. Psychology is just common sense and not a real science. The most important difference between psychology and common sense is that psychology uses systematic and objective method of observation and experimentation. Common sense, on the other hand, is usually played out in proverbs or short phrases, most of which are contradictory to one another. For example, he who hesitates is lost, and look before you leap, or out of sight, out of mind, and absence makes the heart grow fonder. Common sense refers mainly to a set of beliefs and skills that are shared by most people and acquired through no specialist education. Your next question. Psychology is simply a pseudoscience. Pseudoscience is simply false science. That is, anything that superficially resembles science yet isn't science is pseudoscience. The difference between them is one of degree rather than of kind, with no single clear boundary demarcating the essential difference. Although the boundaries are fuzzy, however, the distinction is a very important one, especially in the field of psychology. As a relatively young science, which unlike physics or chemistry, has yet to enumerate a set of fixed principles that operate nearly universally, psychology is a discipline in which the distinction between real and false science is often unclear, especially to people outside the field. Psychologists are simply mind readers or the face readers. The truth is, psychologists can make inferences about the mental process accurately only by carefully studying behavior or through use of certain standardized psychological tests. They can tell about what you are thinking, but they are not reading mind. Psychology is related only to the study of crazy people who are in need of therapy. Seeking therapy is a sign not only of wisdom but also of personal strength. Myth: if I am taking medicines, I don't need therapy. Research suggests this is not due to any special mind reading ability. Myth: people who go to therapists are crazy or weak. Psychologists, psychiatrists, and counselors have the same professional qualification, and their jobs are almost of the same nature. Psychiatrists have a degree in medicine like your family physician, followed by specialized training in the diagnosis and treatment of mental illness, emotional disorders, and behavioral problems. Psychologists work to help people understand the nature of difficulties they may be dealing with, develop insight and skills to minimize and manage the impact of problems, and may coordinate with other health service providers, including physicians. Counselors may have a range of background and may have master's or doctoral level degrees from counseling programs. However, individuals may otherwise refer to themselves as a therapist or counselor, but may or may not have training in the assessment or treatment of mental health issues. Anyone with a degree in psychology can provide counseling to a needy person. Anyone with a degree in psychology cannot provide counseling to a needy person because they can only study and predict the possible outcome. Counseling can be done only by a person who has a degree in guidance and counseling, as they are specially trained with counseling skills. We live in an age of science. Almost every sphere of our life is influenced by science. Since the evolution of Homo sapien as a species, the survival instinct of humankind has led humans to explore the world around them, which gradually led to the development of various sciences. Today, sciences are broadly classified into three basic groups, with physical sciences, physics, chemistry, geology; biological sciences, zoology, botany, physiology; and social sciences, psychology, sociology, and economics. Some people question whether psychology really is a science or not. To answer this question, first we need to know the answer to these two questions, that is, what is science and what is psychology? This chapter aims at answering these two complex questions by providing insight into the topics like key features of science, history of psychology as a science, the research method in psychology, challenges in establishing psychology as a science, the importance of rationality. Key features of science. The word science is derived from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Science is the pursuit and application of knowledge and understanding of the natural and social world following a systematic methodology based on evidence. The following are some of the key features of science. Empirical evidence. Science is an evidence-based approach to study and interpret information. Empirical evidence refers to acquiring information through direct observation or experiments. Scientific knowledge is based on verifiable evidence so that other investigators can observe or measure the same phenomenon and verify its accuracy in the future. Objectivity. Science objectively studies the phenomenon under consideration. Objectivity means the ability to see and accept the facts as they are, and not as the investigator might wish them to be. Objectivity means that all sources of biases, prejudice, beliefs, wishes, values, preferences, etc. are set aside while investigating a particular phenomenon. Scientific causality. Science aims at finding out the cause-effect relationship between variables under consideration. In a scientific study, a researcher tries to control all extraneous variables in order to find out the effect of the independent variable, that is the cause, and the dependent variable, the effect. Systematic exploration. Science adopts a certain sequential procedure for studying a particular phenomenon. Sequential procedure includes few scientific steps like identifying the problem, formation of hypothesis, collection of facts, analysis of facts, scientific generalization and prediction. Replication. Replication means reproducibility of scientific knowledge under the same circumstances stated anywhere and anytime. Replication assures the reliability of results and enables in establishing a scientific theory. Predictability. Predictability is an important feature of science. Scientists do not merely prescribe the phenomenon being studied, but also attempt to explain it and make predictions accordingly.